important question this one for 4-5 marks, very important. So what is the question? The perimeters of, so here it is given, the perimeters of the ends of frustum are. So the perimeters of ends of frustum. Frustum means this is the shape and there are two circular bases, correct no? Yes, the perimeter of ends of frustum are 48 centimeter and 36 centimeter. If the height of the frustum is how much? 11 centimeter. So height of the frustum 11 centimeter means this is equal to what? H is equal to 11 centimeter. Find its volume. Find the frustum volume or find the volume of frustum. Now what is given? First we will write. So given here, given. So now first I will draw one figure for that. So frustum of, you know what is the shape of frustum, right? So I will draw here the shape of frustum. I will draw here. So this is frustum. Right now this is frustum shape. The shape of frustum. Right now what is given? So this is the perimeters of the ends of frustum. So these two are ends of circle, means ends of frustum. So first end is, what is the shape of that first end? Circle. What is the shape of second end? That is also circle. What is given? The perimeter of this end and the perimeter of this end is given. You know what is the shape of this end? That is a circle. Means what given? Perimeter of this circle is how much here? 48 centimeter. The next perimeter of this circle, that is the second end. So that is circle. So perimeter of second circle is given as 36. Now you have to use what is the formula to find the perimeter of a circle. Already you know. So what is here given? Given is perimeter that is P1 is equal. What is perimeter of this first circle? That is equal to formula. What is the perimeter? Perimeter and circumference both are same. So you know this one. This is, what is the shape of this one? Square. What is the perimeter of this square of side x? Perimeter means length of this side plus length of this side plus length of this side plus length of this side. Square means all sides are equal. So it is x, x, x. So perimeter of this square is equal to x plus x is what? It is 4x. So this is the formula to find the perimeter of square. Already you know. Suppose it is rectangle. What is the shape of this one? Rectangle. So what is the property of rectangle? Opposite sides are equal. So I take this side as A. So this is also A. This side as B and this is also B. So now tell me what is the perimeter? Perimeter is length of this side plus length of this side plus length of this side plus length of this side. So it is A plus B plus A plus B. So A plus A is how much here? 2A plus B plus B is how much here? 2B. So it comes as what? 2 is common. It is A plus B. You studied in your lower class. So perimeter of a square is 4x of side x. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into A plus B. That A is length of rectangle, B is breadth of rectangle. So now similarly, if it is circle, so what is the perimeter of this circle? This is called the circumference. Circumference or perimeter, both are same. So what is your circumference of circle? Circumference of circle C is equal to what? It is 2 pi r. Already you know, right? So circumference and perimeter of circle both are same. So So now which formula to use? It is 2 pi r. Is this clear? So now circumference and perimeter. Here it is given as perimeter of two ends of frustum. So ends are in the shape of circle means it is perimeter of this circle and take it as P1. So what is your formula? It is 2 pi R1 because this is radius R1. This is second radius R2. Clear? So now next perimeter of second circle that I write later. So what is given? Perimeter of first end is 48 centimeter. So this is 48 perimeter P1 is equal to 2 pi R1. So now before this, what is your question? Question is find its volume. Question is find its volume. That means the volume of frustum to find. So what is the formula of volume of frustum? It is 1 by 3 into pi into h, right? So into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. Is this right? So to find the volume, the formula is this one. So to get the volume, you should know what is your R1, what is your R2, what is your H. H is given, the height of the frustum is 11. So H is 11. Is R1 and R2 is given the radii of two circular bases, is it given here? No. Right? So instead of that, what is given? The perimeter of frustum is given. So use that. The perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. So perimeter is what? 48. 2 pi r1. That is for first circle. Can you get r1 from this one? That is radius of first circle. Yes, you can get it. So that is r1 is equal to 48 divided by 2 pi. Is it right? Yes. So you can cancel it. Pi keep it as it. Don't substitute now as 22 by 7. I'll substitute afterwards. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are. So what is your R1? R1 is equal to 24 divided by pi. Is it right? 24 divided by pi. This is your R1. That means radius of first circle. Correct? No? Next it is given perimeter of second. Perimeter, that is P2, that is equal to how much here? It is equal to 2 pi R2. 2 pi R2. For this one perimeter, 2 pi R2. That is for second circle. What is the perimeter of second circle? It is 36 is equal to 2 pi R2. So to get volume, you should know what is your R2. Just now we got what is your R1. Now get your what is your R2. So R2 how to get? So R2 is equal to 36 divided by 2 pi. Is it right? R2 is equal to 36 divided by 2 pi. So 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 18s are. So R2 is equal to 18 divided by pi. So that means radius of second circle this circle. So you got R1, you got R2. What is the H? The height of frustum is. The height H is equal to how much here? 11 centimeter. The height H is equal to 11 centimeter. So here you can write unit, it is centimeter. This is also centimeter. Radius is 18 by pi centimeter. R1 is 24 by pi centimeter. Now substitute in formula. So using formula. The volume of frustum is volume and capacity both are same. The volume of frustum is volume of frustum V is equal to formula is 1 by 3 pi h R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. So this is your formula. So now substitute. Everything we know, substitute. So V is equal to 1 by 3. I'll keep pi as it is. If you keep pi as it is, then your substitution is easier. Into H is how much? The height of frustum is 11. This is 11. This is pi. 1 by 3 pi into 11 r1 square. What is the radius of first circle? R1 is 24 by pi. I need R1 square means it is 24 divided by pi whole square. R1 square plus what is here R2? R2 is 18 divided by pi. So R2 square is what? 18 divided by pi whole square. R2 square is 18 divided by pi whole square plus R1 into R2. So R1 is 24 divided by pi into R2 is 18 divided by pi. So close this. Understood? No substitution. In this one, substitution part is important. Okay. So now D is equal to this 1 by 3 into pi into 11. I don't substitute anything. I don't substitute pi. Now 24 pi whole square. So that can be written as what? 24 square divided by pi square. Is it right? So 24 pi whole square is 24 square divided by pi square plus 18 divided by pi whole square can be written as 18 square divided by pi square plus, so this can be written afterwards. I will multiply and write answer. Now I will write as it is 24 into 18 divided by pi into pi is what? It is pi square. Is this clear? Is this clear? Yes. Now V is equal to 1 by 3 pi into 11. Yes. Now simplification. 24 square. So I do calculation part here. Yes. Calculation. This is calculation part. Yes. So first one I need 24 square. Already you know 24 into 24, right? 4 4s are 16, 1 remainder, 4 2s are 8, 9, 2 4s are 8, 2 into 2, 4. How much here? 6, 7, 5. So that means 576. So 24 square is 576 divided by pi square as it is plus 18 square. So 18 into 18. 8 8s are 64, 6. 8 1s are 8 plus 6 is 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 8, 1 1s are 1. So it is 4. It is 12, 324. So 18 square is what? 324 divided by pi square plus 24 into 18. So 24 into 18. So 8 4s are 32. 3 carry. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. So 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into 2 is 2. So it is 2. 13. 1 remainder is 4. So it is 432. So 24 into 18 is 432 divided by pi square. Now how to simplify this one? It is V is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into 11. See, it is 576 divided by pi square plus 324 divided by pi square plus 432 divided by pi square. So numerator by denominator means this is LCM, simplification. So to take LCM, what is the denominator? Pi square, pi square, pi square. That means the same. Correct no? So if it is same, what is the LCM? LCM is pi square itself. Correct no? So now how to get numerator? Numerator is direct addition. It is 576 plus 324 plus 432. This 432. Next here LCM. LCM is pi square. So numerator is 576 plus 324 plus 432. So add all these. That is twice and calculation part I do here. It is 576 plus 324 plus 432. 32. Correct now? So addition. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 1 remainder. 7 plus 3, 10. 12, 13. 1 remainder. 8, 12, 13. So answer is what? 1, 3, 3, 2. So that is V is equal to continuation. It is 1 by 3 into pi into 11. So what is the answer? 576 plus 324 plus 432 is 1332 divided by pi square. Divided by pi square. Now, so how to get this? 1 by 3 into pi into means multiplication into 11 into this one. So all these are multiplication. So can you cancel this pi and this pi square? 1 pi get cancelled. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So I cancel this pi and this pi, and we cancel that pi and this pi. So V is equal to what is left here? 11. 11 into 1 is 11 divided by 3 into here what is left? It is 1, 3, 3, 2 divided. Only 1 pi is cancelled, so 1 more pi is left. Correct now? As now next is, so V is equal to 11 into 1, 3, 3, 2 divided by 3. Now substitute pi. Pi is what? 22 by 7. 22 by 7. So V is equal to 11 into 1332 divided by 3 into this 22 by 7. When it goes to numerator, it has 7 divided by 22. Is it right? This 22 by 7, when it goes to numerator, is 7 by 22. Now cancel whatever it is possible. So 11 ones are 11 how much here? 11 twos are. Next 2 ones are 2 6 are 12, 1 remainder. 2 6 are 12, 1 remainder. 2 6. Correct now? Yes. Now next 3 ones are 3 how much here? 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6. So now next denominator anything left here? No. So what will be our answer? V is equal. Here 11 is cancelled. This is cancelled. So it is 222 into 7 divided by, do you have anything here? No, right? So that is equal to, now multiply. 7 into 2 is 14, 1 remainder. 7 into 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15, 1 remainder. 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. So it is B is equal to 1554. What is the unit? Unit is here 48 centimeter, 36 centimeter, 11 centimeter. So volume is centimeter cube. So therefore, understood in the simplification. Therefore, the volume of frustum is. Therefore, the volume of frustum is. The volume of frustum is. V is equal to how much here? 1544 centimeter cube. 1544 centimeter cube. Very important question for 5 or 4 marks. Question: the slant height of what is the notation for slant height? L is equal to slant height of frustum of a cone is 4 centimeter. So what is this 4 centimeter? L is equal to 4 centimeter. And again it is the perimeter of its circular bases are. Perimeter of its circular bases are 18 centimeter and 6 centimeter. 18 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. That means radius is not given directly. Instead of that, perimeter is given. So means how to use here? Perimeter P is equal to 2 pi r1. Get your r1. Perimeter P2 is equal to 2 pi r2 and get your r2. Find the curved surface area of the term. So that means you have to find what is your CSA. So first we write what is given. Given the slant height. The slant height of first term L is equal to how much here? 4 centimeter. The slant height of the cone is 4 centimeter. The next is given perimeter. So perimeter P1 is equal to 2 pi R1. So what is the perimeter? 18 centimeter. For first circle 18 centimeter, which is equal to 2 pi R1. So what is an R1? R1 is equal to 18 divided by 2 pi. So 2 ones are 2 nines are. So it is 9 pi centimeter. Is it right? So P1 is 18 is equal to 2 pi R1. So R1 is equal to what? 18 divided by 2 pi. 2 ones are 2 nines are. So 9 by pi centimeter. So keep pi as it is. The next perimeter P2 is equal to perimeter second circle. P2 is equal to what? 2 pi R2. Radius changes. So now if you want to draw the figure, this one. So this is for R1. So figure is not necessary. This is R1. This is R2. Right? CSA means to find this one. Direct question. So now P2 is what? 6 is equal to 2 pi R2. 2 pi R2. So therefore R2 is equal to what? 6 divided by 2 pi. 2 ones are 2 threes. So it is 3 pi centimeter. So what is the radius of second circle? That is 3 divided by pi centimeter. Clear no? So now what is to find? Find CSA of first term. So now CSA or curved surface area. Already I told don't write CSA. First write CSA, that means curved surface area. Curved surface area CSA is equal to. So now pi L R1 plus R2. Pi L R1 plus R2. So that is equal to. Or now you can write here CSA is equal to. So correct no? CSA of first term is pi L R1 plus R2. So pi, what is L? L is slant height is 4. And what is your R1? R1 is 9 divided by 11. 9 divided by pi plus what is your R2? R2 is 3 divided by pi. 3 divided by pi. So now how to simplify? So CSA is equal to pi into 4 is 4 pi inside bracket. So 9 divided by pi plus 3 divided by pi. How to simplify this? By taking LCM. LCM of pi and pi is 5. Correct no? So now it is 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. So 9 plus 3. So CSA is equal to 4 pi into on this bracket 9 plus 3 is how much? 10, 11, 12 divided by pi. Now how to read? 4 into pi into 12 divided by pi. Means all these are multiplication. So you can cancel. Correct now? Which you can cancel? 4 pi and pi. So what is left here? 4 into 12. Correct no? 4 into 12 is how much here? 48. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. So what is your CSA? Therefore CSA or curved surface area is 48. What is the unit? This is centimeter. Centimeter. Slant height also centimeter. So curved surface area is centimeter square. So write the conclusion. Therefore, curved surface area of a frustum is 48 centimeter square. So therefore, conclusion. Therefore, the curved surface area of the frustum A bucket is in the form of frustum. So what is the shape of bucket? It is in the form of frustum of a core and holds 28.490 liters of water. That bucket holds 28.490 liters of water means what is this? This is equal to it holds. So that means capacity of the bucket. So capacity of the bucket means it is volume of the bucket is. So what is given? So this is V is equal to 28.490 liters. See the unit. The water is, what is the unit for that? Liter. That means volume of bucket is in the liter. Okay. Now next, the radii of the top and bottom are. The radii of top and bottom are 28 centimeter and 21 centimeter respectively. That means R1 is equal to 28 centimeter. See the unit. Unit is in centimeter. R2 is what? 21 centimeter. Again, unit is in centimeter. Find the height of the bucket. So find the height of the bucket means H is equal to question mark. So what is given? The volume of bucket is given. The volume of bucket is given. So given, very important. Very important. So now given. Given. So what is given here? Given is, first I'll write the radii of top and bottom are. So that means the radius R1 is equal to how much here? 28 centimeter. Radius R2 is equal to how much here? 21 centimeter. Find the height of the bucket. So H is equal to what? Height of the bucket is equal to height of bucket is equal to height of bucket. H is equal to question mark, right? So it is given it holds of water is how much here? 28.490. So volume of bucket or capacity of bucket is V is equal to 28.490 liters. It is liters. Now see the unit first. So which formula it is? Which formula to use here? Volume of bucket. Correct now? But see the unit. This is in centimeter. Radius R2 is in centimeter. But volume is in liter. It is in the liter. So means this is different unit. So first to change this liter to centimeter. How to change? We know that what is the relation between the liter and centimeter? What is the relation between liter and centimeter? How to change this liter to centimeter? We know that 1 liter is equal to how many centimeter? It is 1000 centimeter cube. Right now, so 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So therefore, 28.490 liters. So 28.490 liters is equal to how many centimeter cube? Clear? You know relation liter and centimeter. 1 liter is equal to how much here? 1000 centimeter cube. So 28.49 liter is equal to how many centimeter cube? So cross multiplication. So that is equal to, so here 28.490 into 1000 divided by 1 liter. Correct now? So what is answer? 28.490 into 1000. So I do calculation part here. Calculation. So what is that? This 28.490 So 1 0 0, 1 9s are 9, 1 4s are 4, 1 8s are 8, 1 2s are 2, and how many zeros? 1 2 3 zeros. So what is the decimal? 1 2 3 means 1 2 3. So what is your answer? Your answer is 28,490 centimeter cube. So this is equal. Divided by 1 means it is same. So volume is equal to volume. B is equal to how much here? 28,490 centimeter cube. 0.000 that I am neglecting. So your answer is, so therefore 28.490 liters is equal to how many centimeter cube? It is 28,490 centimeter cube. So now liter is converted to centimeter. Clear no? So all these converted to the same unit. Now use the formula. So using formula. So volume of frustum is using this formula. V is equal to 1 by 3 pi h into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. What to find? H. Now substitute whatever here. So volume in centimeter cube is 28,490 is equal to 1 by 3 pi and keep as it is now. It is pi into h is question mark. H is question mark. What is your R1 radius? R1 is 28. So R1 square is 28 square plus. What is your R2? R2 is 21. R2 square is 21 square plus R1 into R2. So 28 into 21. 28 into 21. So now simplification. This is the denominator 1 by 3, otherwise 28,490 is equal to 1 into this pi can be replaced as 22 by 7 into h divided by 3. Correct now? This 1 by 3 into pi means 22 by 7 into h. So now the right answer of this one 28 square. So simplification 28 into 28. So 8 8s are 64, 6, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 6 22. Correct now? 8 8s are 64, 6 carry. Next 8 2s are 16, 16 it is 22. So 2 8s are 16, 1 remainder, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. So it is 4, 8, 7. So that means 784. So 28 square is 784 plus 21 square. You know this one, right? 441. So 21 into 21. So 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it is 1, 4 and 4. So what is the answer? 21 into 21 is 441 plus. So 28 into 21. So 28 into 21. 1 into 8 is 8. 1 2s are 2. So 2 6 are 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So it is 8. This is 8. This is 5. 2 plus 6 is 8. 5. It is 588. This 588. Correct? No? Yes. Now I need H. Right? So bring this 3 and 7. 3 7s are how much here? 21. So bring this, otherwise I write 28490, this denominator to this side. So then it is what cross multiplication? 3 into 7 is equal to 1 into 22 is 22 into h and bracket 784 plus 441 plus 588. 784. So So 441. So 588. So how much here? 8 4s are 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 1 13. 1 carry. 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 4 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. 1 carry. So next is 7 plus 4 11. 11 plus 5 16. 16 plus 2 18. Once again 8 12 13. 1 remainder. 16 20 21. 2 remainder. 7 plus 4 7 11. Correct no? 11 plus 5 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. So your answer is 1813. Correct no? How to read now? It is 28,490 into 3 into 7 is equal to 22 into h into 1813. So can you write what is the h is equal to? This is 28,490 into 3 into 7 is what? Sorry, 3 into 7 is 21 is equal to 22 into h into 1813. Correct no? So I need h is equal to. How to get h is equal to? H is equal to. So bring these two to this side. Right? Next, so it is 28490 into 21 is equal. I need h, right? So I'll keep h here itself. So I'll bring this 22 into 1813 to that side. That means this multiplication to that side means it is divide. Divide, it is 22 into 1813, that is equal to h. That is equal to h. Just write as h is equal to. What is the h is equal to? 28490 into 21 divided by 22 into 1813. 1813. Now simplification of this. How to simplify? See now. This is 22 means by 2. 2 how much here? 2 11s are. So now next, is this possible by 2? Yes. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 1 carry. 2 5s are. Right? So now next we will see these two numbers. So 21 is, this is by 3. Is it possible to divide by the 3? Yes, here. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Not possible, right? Next, here is 11, right? And here it is possible by 11. 1, 4, 2, 4, 5 divided by 11. So I will see whether it is possible or not. Okay. 11 how much? 11 ones are 11. 3 remainder. 2. 11 twos are 22. 10 remainder. It is 4. 11 how much? 11. 10s are 110. 99. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means 5. So 55. So possible. 11 5s are. Right? Say understood no? See first I multiply. I divided by 2. 2 11s are. Next 2 how much here? 1 4, 2 4, 5. Next I am seeing these two numbers. Is it possible to divide? Is there any common factor to this one? Not possible. Next is 11 and 1 4, 2 4, 5. So now I will check whether this and this division is possible. So that I divided. 1 4, 2 4, 5. So 11 ones are 11. 3 remainder. Next is 2. 32 means 11 twos are 22. So how much here? 10 remainder. Next is 4. So 11 nines are 99. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means 5. So next number is 5. So 11 how much here? 11 5s are 55. So properly dividing this. So what is answer? H is equal to 11 ones are 11 how much here? 1295. Clear? 1295. So now remaining is 1295 into 21 divided by 1813. 1813. Now next, directly multiply these two. So we will see this multiplication. Next we will divide by this one. So I will multiply 12195. So I multiply. So what is that? 1 2 1 2 9 5 into 21, right? So into 21. So how much here? It is 5. It is 9. Next 2. Next 1. So 2 5s are 10. 1. 2 9s are 18 plus 19. Next 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 1s are 2. Is it right? 1 5s are 5. 1 9s are 9. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. Next 2 5s are 10. 1 remainder. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. 1 remainder. 2 2s are 4 plus 1. 2 1s are 2. Yes. It is 5. This is 9. So 11. 1 remainder. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Next it is 2. So what is the answer? It is 27195. It is H is equal to 27. It is 27,195 divided by 1813. So now I will be working. So that is 1813 divided by 27195. So 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. Sorry 4. So till here. So how many times it is? 1 time. Correct now? It is 1 time. So 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 is 8 is 8. 1 into 1 is 1. Is it possible? We'll see. So that is 6 0 7 7 8 9 9 not 6 is possible. So next number is 5. Next number is 5. So we'll check. So which is possible here? The possible number is. So now 1813 into 1 is what? 1813. So 1813 into 2 is how much here? 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 1 remainder. 2 1s are 2. It is 3. So 3626. It is 9000. So not possible. So 1813 into 3. So 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. 2 remainder. 3 1s are 3. 4 5. It is 5439. But it is 9000. Still giving. So 1813 into 4. So 4 3s are 12. 4 1s are 4. 5. 4 8s are 32. 3 remainder. 4 1s are 4. 5 6 7. So that means 7000. 9000. So 1813 into 5. 5 3s are 15. 1 remainder. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. 5 8s are 40. 4 remainder. 5 1s are 5 plus 4. Sorry, yes, it is 9. Right now, so it is 9061. So exact figure. So how many times it divides? It divides 5. So 15. 1 remainder. 5 1s are 5. It is 6. 5 8s are 44. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 6. So therefore H is equal to. So therefore H is equal to how much here? 15 centimeters. So what is this H? The height of. Therefore the height of frustum is. The height of frustum is H is equal to how much here? 15 centimeter. The height of frustum is 15 centimeter. Next question. The perimeters of the ends of frustum of right circular cone are 44 centimeter and 33 centimeter. So what are these? This is the perimeter of frustum, that is P1 is equal to 44 centimeter and P2 is equal to 33 centimeter. If the height of the frustum is 16 centimeter, height of the frustum is 16 centimeter means H is equal to 16 centimeter. Find its volume. 3 questions here. Find its volume. First question. Second question, curve and total surface area. CSA and total surface area. So total 3 questions. given here. Given is the height of frustum. The height of frustum. So height of frustum is how much here? Height of frustum h is equal to 16 centimeter. So it is 16 centimeter. The next perimeters of ends of frustum. So that means perimeter P1 is equal to perimeter P1 is equal to how much it is? It is equal to 44 centimeter, right? So 44 centimeter. What is P1 formula? It is 2 pi R1 which is equal to 44. So what is your R1? R1 is 44 divided by 2 pi, right? So 2 ones are 222. So means 22 divided by pi centimeter, that is equal to radius R1. Clear? As now next is perimeter P2. So perimeter P2 is equal to what is given? Second perimeter is 33 centimeter. 33 centimeter. What is perimeter formula? This 2 pi R2 is equal to 33. 2 pi R2 is equal to 33. So now R2 is how much here? R2 is 33 divided by 2 pi centimeter. Is it possible to cancel this 33? No, right? So it is 44 and 33. Yes. Is it possible to cancel 33 and 2? No. So I will keep as it is. So now you got H, you got R1 and R2. So you can use formula volume. So volume of frustum is equal to volume V is equal to. So volume of frustum V is equal to, formula is what? 1 by 3 pi H into R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. R1 into R2. Now substitution. So V is equal to 1 by 3 pi. I'll keep pi as it is because R1 is in terms of pi. R2 is also in terms of pi. So you can cancel. So now pi H. H is how much? 60. H is 60. So now R1 square. What is your R1? R1 is 22 divided by pi whole square plus R2 square. So what is your R2? R2 is 33 divided by 2 pi whole square. 2 pi whole square plus R1 is what? 22 divided by pi into what? 33 divided by pi. So not pi, it is 2 pi. See the difference here. So here I have cancelled pi. Sorry, 2 and 22. And here it is 2 pi. So here what is your denominator here? Pi. Here denominator is 2 pi. So it is difficult to take LCM. So you may get confusion, right? So here pi means, so what is your 22 square divided by pi square? 33 square divided by 4 pi square. Correct now? 4 pi square. 2 pi square means it is 4 pi square. So your LCM changes. So LCM is pi square. Next is 4 pi square. Here is what? 2 pi square. So that changes if you substitute this pi. So better don't cancel this. So here depending on this don't cancel. So I keep as it is, that is 44 divided by 2 pi. Okay, I don't cancel here because if you keep denominator same, then you don't get confusion to get here LCM. Clear now? So I will keep as it is because here we can't cancel. 33 by 2 we can't cancel. So here denominator is 2 pi. So with respect to this, keep this denominator as 2 pi. Then it is easy to take LCM. So now your R1 changes as what? 44 divided by 2 pi. R2 is what? 33 divided by 2 pi. Then LCM part is very simple. So now substitution. So V is equal to 1 by 3 pi H. H is what? 16. Right now H is 16. So R1 square. 2 pi whole square plus R2 square. What is your R2? 33 divided by 2 pi whole square plus R1 is what? 44 divided by 2 pi into R2 is what? 33 divided by 2 pi. So now you will get the same LCM. So now V is equal to, it is 16 into pi is 16 pi. 16 into pi is 16 into 1 is 16 pi divided by 3. So 44 divided by 2 pi square means it is 44 square divided by 2 pi square. Is it right? Plus 33 divided by 2 pi square is what? 33 square divided by 2 pi square. 2 pi square. Plus, and keep as it is now, 44 into 33 divided by 2 pi into 2 pi is what? It is 2 pi square. Correct now? 2 pi into 2 pi is 2 pi square. Yes. Clear this? Yes. Now your LCM is the same. See, 2 pi square, 2 pi square, 2 pi square. So it is easy to take LCM. So now V is equal to 16 pi divided by 3. Now your calculation. 44 square. So what is your 44 square? This is your calculation part. Calculation. So now I need 44 square. So 44 square means it is 44 into 44. 4 fours are 16, 1 carry. 4 fours are 16 plus 1, 17. Next 4 fours are 16, 1 carry. 4 fours are 16 plus 1, 17. It is 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 by made up. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And it is 1. So it is 1936. There is one easy method to find square. Already you know this one. How to find square is like this, plus sign. Next 44 is there, no? So take this as 4 square and 4 square. So 4 square is how much here? 16. This 4 square is how much here? 16. Next multiply this 4 into 4. 4 into 4. How much it is? 16. For that multiply by 2. So how much it is? 32. So how to write that 32? Here this is space and this is 2 and here it is 3. 32. So this is 6. 3. 6 plus 3. 9. It is 1. Same answer. If you do this method and this is shortcut method, you can save time. So it is 1936. So what is your 44 square is 1936 divided by. Now 2 pi whole square. So what is the answer of 2 pi whole square? 2 pi whole square is. So how we can write is 2 pi into 2 pi. Is it right? Yes. So 2 into 2 is how much here? 4. Pi into pi is what? It is pi square. So 2 pi square is 4 pi square. So this is 4 pi square plus 33 square. 33 square. 33 into 33. So it is 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Next 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So it is 9, 18, 1 remainder, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 1, 10. So it is 108. Otherwise if you want to use this method, see plus sign. 33 square means how to write? 3 square. 3 square is 3 square and 3 square and 3 square and 3 square. 3 square is what? 9. Don't write single digit. Write it as full digit, that is 0, 9. Again 3 square is 9. 9 write it as 0, 9. Next 3 into multiply these two. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 2. For this always multiply by 2. 9 into 2 is what? 18. How to write 18 here? So it is how much here? 9, 8, 9 plus 1, 10. So 1089. Same. So it is 33 square is 1089. 1089 divided by 2 pi whole square is what? 4 pi square plus now 44 into 33. Now 44 into 33. So 3 fours are 12, 1 remainder. 3 fours are 12 plus 1 is 13. 3 fours are 12, 1 remainder. 3 fours are 12 plus 1 is 13. So 2, 5, 4 and 1. Right now it is 1452 divided by 4 pi square. 4 pi square. Now next denominator 4 pi square, 4 pi square, 4 pi square. What is the LCM? LCM is 4 pi square. So now 16 pi divided by 3. So what is the LCM? 4 pi square. So 4 pi square. So numerator is 1936 plus 1089 plus 1452. So it is 1936, 1936, 1089, 1452. So addition. How much it is? 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 1 remainder. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 1 remainder. So 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 1 remainder. 1 plus 1 plus 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Once again, 15, 17, 1. So 11, 16, 1, 17. 10, 14, 1. So 3, 4. So it is 4, 4, 7, 7. So it is 4, 4, 7, 7. Yes. Now how to simplify this? How to read? 16 into pi into 4477 divided by 3 into 4 into pi square. Is it possible to cancel? Yes. 4 ones are 4 fours are, right? So pi and this pi get cancelled, right? So what is left here? It is 4 into, this is 4477 divided by, this is 3 into what is left? 1 pi is left. Now 4 and 3, is it possible to divide? No. So now once we check, is this possible? Is this possible to divide? It is 4477 divided by 3. Right? So once we check, otherwise we'll substitute first. V is equal to 4 into 4477 divided by 3 into, what is the value of pi? It is 22 by 7. So V is equal to 4 into 4477 divided by 3 into 22 divided by 7 is multiplied by 7 is 7 by. Okay. Now here 2 2s are 4. 2 how much here? 11. So 11 and 7 not possible. 3 and 7 not possible, right? So 2 and 3, is it possible to divide? No. 2 and 11, is it possible to divide? No. So once we check whether it is possible. 3 and this one, is it possible? 11 and this, is this possible? So now I'll check that. So 4477 divided by 3. I'm checking whether it is possible or not. So 3 ones are 3, 1 remainder, 4. 3 fours are 12, 2 remainder, 27. So 3 nines are 27. Remainder is 0. Next is 7. So 3 twos are 6. We'll get remainder other than 0. So not possible to divide. So 3 and this division is not possible. Once we check by 11, is it possible? It is 4477 divided by 11. Right? Divided by 11. So 11 fours are how much here? 44, 0. So next number is what? 7. Is this possible to divide? No. That time it is 0. Next is second number, it is 7. So 11 how much? 11 sevens are 77. What is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Right? So be careful. See again I am explaining. 11 fours are 44. Remainder is 0. Next number is 7. So 11 and 7, is it possible to divide? No, because this is smaller number. So not possible means I should take 0. Next take one more number 7. So then together comes as 77. So 11 how much is 77? 11 sevens are. into what is left 407 into what is left 7 divided by this 3, right? Denominator is 3. So now next v is equal to 7 into 2. How much here? 14 into 407 divided by 3. First multiply this numerator. That is 14 into 407. Write the answer and divide by 3. So first 407 into 14. So 4 sevens are 28, 2 remainder. 4 into 0, 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 4 fours are 16. So 1 sevens are 7. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 fours are 4. So it is 8. 7 plus 2 is 9. 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5, 6, 9, 8. So this answer is 5, 6, 9, 8 divided by 3. So we will divide. So 5, 6, 9, 8 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 2 remain, 26. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 24. So 2 remainder, 29. 3 nines are 27. 2 remainder, 28. 3 sevens are 20. 3 nines are 27. 1 remainder, 0 outside. So 3 nines. So 1899.9. So again, so we'll get more 3 threes are 9 means it is 9.999 we'll get it. Right now. So what is the volume? Volume is equal to 1899.99 centimeter cube. So this is your volume. Is the volume of frustum. This is the volume of frustum. Volume of frustum. So 1899. How much here? 99 approximately equal to 1900 centimeter cube. You can approximate, otherwise keep answering. So therefore, first question we got answer. Now second, CSA and total surface area, take it as homework. To find CSA, L should be, what is L? Slant height. Slant height is not given. So find that slant height by using formula L is equal to square root of h square plus r1 minus r2 whole square and goes to a formula CSA total surface area.